Go.
Mayday, 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 mayday. This is motor vessel Bella, motor vessel Bella, motor vessel Bella. Call sign, Delta, uniform, 1234. Position, 14 degree, 35 minutes, north. 120 degree, 52 minutes, east. We have uncontrollable fire. The engine room. Fire spreading rapidly and cannot be controlled. We abandon ship and require immediate assistance. There are 18 crew members on board. Request immediately rescue. Over.
Mayday. Motor vessel Bella. Motor vessel Bella. Motor vessel Bella. This is motor vessel Cora. Motor vessel Cora. Motor vessel Cora. Call sign. Delta. Uniform. Foxtrot 5, 6, 7, 8. Receive Mayday. Your position. 14 degrees, 35 minutes north. And longitude. 120 degrees, 52 minutes east. Engine room fire. Abandoning ship with 18 crew members on board. We are proceeding to your position. Estimate time of arrival, 25 minutes. Keep life-saving appliances ready. Over.
Mayday relay, mayday relay, mayday relay. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is motor vessel Dula, motor vessel Dula, motor vessel Dula. Call sign, Delta, Uniform, Foxtrot, 9012. Receive distress message from motor vessel Bella. Call sign, Delta, Uniform, Foxtrot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Position, 14 degrees, 35 minutes north, 120 degrees, 52 minutes east. Vessel reports uncontrollable engine room fire. Vessel is abandoning ship, 18 crew members on board. Immediate assistance required. Any vessel in vicinity is requested to assist. Over.
There's a problem with the engine. Break. There's a fire in the engine room. There's one crew member injured. Request immediately assistance.
In case, there's a fire in the engine room. Gear up! Go boys.
Okay na.
May check for the crew that is injured. Go now.